Hi everyone, everything I'm going to tell you in this video comes from reliable mechanics who are here in the shop, so relax, this can be fixed. If your Tesla suddenly shows the message "charging stopped unexpectedly," it's not like your car has decided to rebel against humanity. What it's basically saying is, hey, something interrupted my charging, and I wasn't the one who stopped it. This is a safety alert that can happen for several reasons, and most of the time, it has nothing to do with a damaged battery. The most common cause reported by mechanics is an issue with the charger or connection. The cable may not be fully plugged in, the outlet at your home might have a problem, or the public charging station could have a temporary fault. Tesla detects any interruption and automatically stops charging to protect the system. That's why, in many cases, simply unplugging and reconnecting the cable fixes the issue immediately. Another important point, weather or temperature can also play a role. Some mechanics have noticed that when it's very hot or when using the wall charger on a sunny day, the system may stop charging to prevent overheating. In these cases, switching to another circuit or waiting for the charger to cool down usually resolves the problem. We also can't forget the charger hardware. Many mechanics report that mobile connector cables had small internal defects causing this message repeatedly. Replacing the cable with a new one or using a different charger is often the most direct solution. Some even suggest cleaning the contacts on the cable and the charging port if dust or debris is interfering with the connection. Finally, it's worth checking the app or vehicle settings. If you have a scheduled charging plan, charge limits, or slow charging settings active, the car may intentionally stop charging, but it will appear as unexpected on the dashboard. This explains why the message sometimes shows up even when everything is connected and working properly.